You want to learn to make authentic Jamaican Toto? This is a step-by-step recipe for you. Watch to the end. Look at this. Into this bowl, I am going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now I am going to break 1 coconut and grate it. I am going to add 2 cups of the grated coconut that I just grated. 2 tablespoons baking powder. 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Half teaspoon nutmeg powder. 1 teaspoon sea salt. 1 teaspoon mixed spice. 1 cup brown sugar. Going to mix all the dry ingredients together now. I am going to break 2 eggs. Remove the eyes from the eggs. Whisk. To the eggs, I am going to add half cup melted butter. To add 1 cup coconut milk. 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon almond extract. Now I am going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. So you don't want to mix it too much. You just take a spoon and fold it in together. So this is how I want it to look. Not too watery, not too dry. So this is the baking tray that I am going to use. We're just going to grease it with butter. Pour all of the ingredients. So I have the oven preheated at 350 degrees. I am going to put the toto in the oven for 1 hour. So this is how it looks when it finished. Now I am going to let it cool down before I cut it. Authentic Jamaican Toto. Go for the bite. It's so good. Nice and tasty.